What's up, y'all? How you guys doing? You guys ever like just sit here outside and just start thinking about things? Like right now, I'm sitting here thinking about this past month, like how this past month has been treating me, and a lot of things goes through my head, y'all. Like this past month, I launched my new beauty brand, right? Which it's awesome. Like I've been working so hard, like for the last months after months after months after months, just to get this launching. In the beginning, I was all stressed out, like, what if the launch doesn't come out good, you know what I mean? But I don't think that's the case anymore. The case that I worry about is, like, how do I keep it going? And that's hard, y'all. Because, like, when you start something, we are so quick to think about, like, oh, what if we fail, right? But at the end of the day, you're not going to fail if you keep going. But the hard part is, how do you keep going? And so that's what I've learned this past few months is once I launched, I was like, all right, now things are going. How do I get it going? How do I keep it going? How do I keep it rolling? So that's what I'm thinking about, y'all. And on top of that, you adding more tasks to your plate on top of being a content creator and a nail tech. So a couple questions that I get is that since I launched my brand and since I've been doing a content creating, do I still do nails? And the answer is absolutely. I still do nail. I'm still a nail tech. I still tell people I'm a nail tech. I don't tell people I'm a content creator or I'm a CEO of a certain type of brand. I don't do that. I just tell them I'm a nail tech and I enjoy doing it. I enjoy serving my client. I have a lot of good clients, y'all. If you guys watch me, you guys hear them. They can be bitchy, but they good people. I enjoy having them on my station. I enjoy doing nails for them. As a content creator, what's hard lately is that, you got your marketing business going and you got your original content that you create of everyday life at the salon. And right now I'm trying to mix those two together and it's hard because like when my first month I launched and I put out some marketing video and people tell me like, okay, now your channel is becoming all marketing. Come on, man, give me a break. Like, it's only been a month since I launched. Like, can I have some kind of like room just to grow in a different aspect? You know what I mean? I will continue to produce my everyday life content, but it's just sometimes you just got to give a brother some room just to grow. You know what I mean? So that's what's going on. So I'm trying to please the viewers. I'm trying to please my brand. That's where it's hard because now it puts you in a circumstance where you got to know how to balance it out. You know what I mean? You don't want your channel to be all marketing and you don't want your channel to be just, all everyday life salon, which you do, but you got to mix it up a little bit. So that's why I'm having problem is, so that's why I'm out here sitting here thinking about like, okay, so this is what I'm dealing with. How do I navigate to certain things? And on top of that, I haven't been doing podcasting for a whole month since I launched. So that's been in the back of my head too. So you see so many things is going in my head and I want to do it all, guys. I want to do it all. But the problem is that I don't have the time in the world to do it all. And yes, I know people have asked me like, why don't you hire somebody, help you with the setting up? I'm going to get there. But it's just right now, I still have so much thing that I want to do on my own. And you guys follow my lifestyle, man. I'm every week traveling to different locations for my kids' event, tournament, and all that. So with that, it slows me down on creating content. It slows me down on podcasting. But that's no excuse. See, I don't like making up excuse when I know if I just plan, schedule, and stick to it, it's going to work. And I know whatever I'm telling you guys right now, some of you guys probably understand what I'm going through. Some of you guys probably don't give a shit what's going on. Just like, give me your next funny content. I get it. But I want to vent with y'all, okay? I want to take this time. I want to vent with y'all. I want to let y'all know, I appreciate y'all, though. I appreciate if y'all listening right now. I appreciate because I'm giving you my feelings right now, how I feel as a friend. And, I hope you guys continue to support me and and show love. And if not, it's okay too, because I get a lot of people every time I make a funny, weird video. People start sharing me their departures and all that. Oh, I've been following you for this long, but your content has changed. I'm gonna unfollow. Look, y'all. If y'all think being a content creator is that easy, and y'all just watch one video and it hurts your feeling, first of all, not every video is meant for you because you're weak. Secondly, we want to be creative. Like, as a content, if you have a video that are going viral, right, or is popping, you want to find way to make that same video better. And sometimes what we do as content creating is that we kind of try to take it one notch higher. One notch high. That's what we're trying to do. We're trying to, elevate it. But then sometimes elevating kind of play a double-edged sword. Some people like it, some people don't. But at the end of the day, the content is produced. I work hard for that content, so I'm just going to release it. Y'all don't like it, y'all decide to move on. Hey, it happens. Just be blessed the fact that there's no payment subscription to these kind of channel, right? Y'all watching a person who's working hard behind that camera, trying to give you entertainment, education, tutorial, whatever it is. You just gotta give them some love, man. Y'all be hating too much, you know what I mean? But don't. What I'm trying to tell y'all is that I'm gonna try to get back into the game of podcast. I'm gonna try to get back my routine, because now it's been a month. I have my product launch. I kind of know what's going on. I know what we need to do. Now I just have to get back to myself and being myself and doing what I enjoy doing and continue doing more. I don't even know if that even makes sense, y'all. If that makes sense, please let me know in the comment. If it doesn't, just give me a thumbs up, whatever. It's hard being a content creator, y'all. It's hard. I stay humble. You got to stay humble, because you never know. I look at this content creating stuff, nail business, any business. Anything can be temporary. So that's why people are afraid to make it happen. They're afraid to fail, like I mentioned earlier, right? Don't be afraid to fail, y'all. Be afraid of how you can keep going. I think that's more of a challenge. If you ask any businessman right now, I don't care if they're millionaires, I don't care if they're billionaires, in their mind, they're always gonna ask themselves, what's next? They can't sit still, y'all. Because that's what an entrepreneur mindset is at. We can't sit still. We give ourselves breaks. But even if you're on a break, your mind's still thinking about what's next. And that's the unfortunate part, but it's also the fortunate part, because if you have that mindset, you can go far in life. You can do a lot of things. You're not afraid to make decision. And man, it feels good just to let you guys know how I feel right now. Literally, it's Monday. I just got back in town yesterday, and I'm about to shoot some content. And I'm here thinking about what content to shoot. I'm thinking about my podcast, when I want to get back to it, how I want to make it better than last time. All of that's going through my head right now, y'all. So let me know what you guys think. Let me know how I should plan this stuff out. But I appreciate y'all, man. Anyways, I'll talk to you next time. Peace.